Hello students. Before we get started, some people had been complaining, understandably so, that they can't see my face on the videos. I understand. I would be upset too. So here's what we're going to do. There's a picture of me in a great t-shirt with some ice cream. We're just going to take this and we'll just put it over here. Alright, so feel free to pause and admire that if you need to, if you get distracted. Alright, so here we go. Ernest Rutherford and James Chadwick, what's in the nucleus? So remember last time we learned that Rutherford figured out there was a nucleus in the atom because he shot these particles at gold foil, right? Here's gold foil. He shot them. Most of them went through, but then some of them bounced off, and they must have bounced off because they had to hit something. So it can't just be gooey positive space. There's got to be a dense positive nucleus somewhere. So what's in the nucleus? All right, well, Rutherford wants to know that. So, because apparently this is all he does, he fired more alpha particles. But he did it at a gas this time, nitrogen, not at gold. And when he did this, what he found was oxygen came out, and a very heavy positive particle shot out. And he called these positive particles protons. So here in my figure I'm seeing the proton, and this is a positive heavy particle. So it's right, it's like Santa. It's really positive, but it's heavy. Get it? Alright, don't think about it too much. And reason they must be in the positive nucleus. Well, the nucleus is positive, you got positive particles coming out, that makes sense. Reading on, Chadwick, that's a fun name, used a metal called polonium to fire alpha particles at beryllium metal, so just another element. So when he did so, the beryllium emitted neutral particles. Well, I'm not 100% sure, but it's not negative, it's not positive, so I'm assuming neutral just means it's no charge. He called these neutral particles neutrons. In later experiments, he fired alpha particles at many other types of neutrinos. They all created neutrons, so all atoms have neutrons. And so here we have, boom, beryllium target, and then what's happening? Neutrons, right? Oh, and these are the neutrons, I guess, right here. Yeah, okay, and then the sensor picks them up, I guess. Alright, so when Chadwick measured the mass of a neutron, he found that it was heavy, so the neutrons must be located inside the small, dense nucleus, right? So the nucleus has all the heavy stuff. Heavy mass in the nucleus. What's this showing? So the nucleus now, we've got protons and neutrons. Why is that negative? It should be neutral. Oh, maybe it just means it's blue. So the neutrons are the blue ones here. Alright. Interesting. Hey, you want to hear a joke? So you know how neutrons they're neutral, right? So a neutron walks into a bar, says, "Hey, I'll have a soda." Bartender says, "Alright, here you go. No charge." Alright, I hope you laughed. Alright, so what did Rutherford and Chadwick discover about the atom? Well, you should be able to figure that out by looking back at their experiments. Oh, look, it's me. Right? Rutherford, Chadwick. What did they discover? Now, which model can you eliminate? You should only have one left. Alright, so that is the correct model of the atom. Good detective work, you sleuths. See you later.